Good morning, everybody. So, in a series of basic question, this is a part two. Okay, and it holds some scenario-based question as well. So, let's start the interview. So, in basics question, I hope you should know these questions and answers. So, let's see. So, what does the page layout allow admin to control? So, in page layout, what we can do? We can change the fields, or we can edit the field, or we can give the read only access or a mandatory access on it. And the fourth one, we can create a session and we can put a few fields there. So these all are the changes, or maybe a button we can put there, right? These all things we can do in a page layout. So the question number two is many time asked by the interview. So which of the following is not a compulsory field a user profile has logged in? Our restrictions set Monday to Friday at 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and the user logged in at 4:30 p.m. on Tuesday maybe, and it is now 5:1, means now you are beyond the limit of the hour. So what will be the expected result from you? So you are able to work, right? But when you perform any DML operation, or if you will refresh the page, so the session will log out and you are no longer to access in your Salesforce. Or this is exactly what will happen with you when you are working beyond the time, means beyond the restrictions hour. Okay, now next question is, so suppose universal contains use a custom field on the account object to capture, okay, account credit status. So this field, account credit status, on the account object. Now the sales team wants to display the account credit status on the opportunity. So the field is on the account object and you have to populate the value in opportunity layout. So how you can do it? So it will be done by only the cross object formula field. Okay, so lookup will not work here, master will not work here. So the through the cross object formula field it will be done. So this mostly this question is asked, right? In vice versa, means if they will change the object and they will ask the questions. Okay, now the next question is, so an opportunity, okay, record created a close date of Jan 30, okay, that meets the criteria of time dependent workflow rule. Now the time dependent action is scheduled for 23 of Feb. So what happens if the opportunity is edited before July 23 and no longer meet with the criteria? So here the question is, suppose today is 2nd January 2022 and you are one of time trigger, suppose mail, time dependent workflow rule, mail will be triggered on next 7 days, means today is 2nd and it should route a mail or shoot a mail on 9th of January. So if you do any amendment on 9th of January, so will it fire the mail or not? So the answer is no. The reason behind it, if you will change the condition, okay, if you will change the anything, so it will be auto removed from the queue. So the portion, the queue which should send the mail, it will be no longer available in the queue. This is the answer. Okay, now second, means next question. You see, has two sales group and each group has its own unique sales process. So what is the best way to ensure that sales respective representative have access to only the stage relevant to their sales process when working on the opportunity? So suppose you have two groups, U1 and U2, right? Both have a same process, but with um, different means fields they want to enter. So through answer will be the record type. So the record type is the one bifurcation. Object will be same, but there will be a two record type. So suppose one you are selling a bag, suppose, and one you are selling a computer. So with the bag you will ask for the only size, right? Which size? So maybe L, XL, ML, like that. Okay, now if you are selling a computer, then when you sell a computer, then it means you have to ask keyboard, mouse, right, monitor, CPU, webcam. So these all are the differentiate. But when you will sell it, so it will go to the sales object. So the data will go in same object, but when you choose as a record type, so first you have to choose the bag. So it will ask the color or maybe size, and it will save the record. And when you will choose the record type as a computer, so it will take each and every input based on the keyboard, mouse, or their CPU, or their memory and all, RAM and all, and then it will save. So different conditions are there. So the best answer is, the only answer is record type. Now next one is, a marketing user need to create a new campaign, but the new button is not visible from the campaign homepage. The system admin has verified that the user has the create profile permission for the campaign object. So how should the system admin resolve the issue? So that button is not coming. Okay, so just simply you have to check the checkbox, marketing user checkbox, in the record user. So he can see the button. Now what can an advantage configure for user on the search results? So basically three are there: field being searched, number of record displayed of each object, and the column displayed for each object. So these three are there. Now next question is, what user interface setting must be enabled for user to edit record in a list view? So first answer will be inline editing. Through that we can do that. And second is enhance list. These two are there. Next question, the support group at UC want agents to capture different information for product support and inquiry case. In addition, the life cycle of for product support case should have more steps than the cycle for inquiry cases. What features should an administrator use to meet with the requirement? So is record type, support process, and the page layout. Three will be the most appropriate answer of this one. Now question number 12. And question number 12 is asked with me twice. Means I have faced this question and one of my team member have also faced this question. So the question is, sales manager at UC needs to display the information listed below in each account record. First one, amount of all closed won on opportunity, amount of all open opportunity. Okay, so question should be making confused to you here. So first one, in first criteria, if you'll see the closed won opportunity. Okay, and second criteria is amount of all open opportunity. So which feature you will use? It's a very simple. It's just a roll up summary field. Okay, if you will go with the condition or everything, so it may confuse to you. But the answer is very simple. That is a roll up summary field on account. So now next question is, what type of fields allow user to input text, image, and link? That's a text area. Text area reach. So it in this you can put anything like image also, link, text, whatever you want you can put it. So when case assignment rule are being set up, cases can be assigned to whom? So two answers are basically there. Either it will be assigned to a queue, or from a queue when it will be the case will assign in a queue, so any user will come and pick those cases from the queue. And second one is that directly assigned to the user, so no queue will be there. So suppose if there are directly 2 3 4 5 users, so directly assigned to users based on their record type or any kind of POA, what the SLAs are there based on the SLAs. Question number 17th, what should an administrator consider when when setting up case feed? So the chatter feed tracking must be enabled for the case object, then only you can set up means you can put a feed on the case. So what type of record access can be administrator grant? So two answers. So mostly means only two type of record level access we have in Salesforce. Either you can give a read only or read and write. But if it's a private, then you can give these two access. But if the already existing record has a read only access, then you can give only read and write option. Okay, so be careful on this part. So what will happen if a custom financial year is enabled? So two things, the custom financial year must be defined manually. So you can set maybe from Jan to December, or from 1st April to 31st March, based on their business or the company profiles. You can put the financial year, or maybe based on the location, geographic location, you can change it. And the next one is the custom financial years cannot be disabled, it should be there. Okay, now the last question is, a system administrator at UC needs to transfer record from one user to another user. What objects can be transferring used to the mass transfer tool? So it's a lead and account. Okay, so that you can do the mass transfer tools. Okay. So this is all the basics question. Now in next videos we will see the most type of interview questions asked is in scenario based. Okay, so in scenario based, the next week we are going to release two high level of questions which will cover scenario based. Okay, now thank you very much. Please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.